Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming in My Way. Today we are going to see option menu in Android. So you know that there are different type of menus in Android. Like Java also have the menu concept, then menu bar concept, menu atom concept. In the same way we have the menu concept in Android. So there are three type of menus in Android. They are option menu, context menu, pop-up menu. So in this session we are going to focus on option menus in Android. Now very important thing, the option menus are always displayed on action bar of your activity. So I will tell you. So see, in this application, this one is action bar, or it is also called as title bar. So see, this is the application title or activity title, and see, these two menus are there. So this menu is having, or it doesn't have the title. Instead I have used the icon for this menu. Then this menu has title, so I did not use the icon for this. So these two menus are there. And also when you click on these three dots, then two more menus are there. So view and exit. So these are the four menu items actually. This one, third one is view and exit. And these four menu items are part of single option menu. So here in this application, I've created option menu which has four menu items. This one, then edit, view and exit. So option menus are always displayed on action bar or title bar. They are always attached to the action bar or title bar. Either you can display the menu items of option menu on this title bar or under these three dots. So if there is a space present here, then you can display over here. If there is no space, then you can use these three dots. Getting? But definitely if, we can't place number of menu items on this title bar. Okay, so there is a limitation. So either we can have some menu items here on directly title bar. Suppose some menu items are very important, so you can place those menu items on this title bar, and remaining, that means they are not that much important, you can place those menu items under these three dots. So in this session we are going to see how to create this option menu and how to perform action on this option menu. So let us start. So I have created here a fresh application named option menu demo. So I have created the empty activity. So I'm just deleting this hello world text view from this activity. Now the first thing, there are three steps we are going to do. The first step is you need to create the menu items. Which menu items will be the part of option menu? So that will be the first step. Second step is you need to create the option menu by attaching those menu items to the option menu. And third thing is you need to perform the action on menu item. Okay, so these three steps are there. So let us see the first step, that means how to create the menu item. So see, right click on resource folder. So we are going to create the menu resource directory. So new Android resource directory, qname menu, select the resource type as menu. So directory name you can give any, but the resource type should be menu, and then click on OK. Now see, here the directory is created, that is menu. Now we need to create the menu resource file. So right click on menu resource folder, new, and menu resource file, and see, I'm giving file name as my menu, and just click on OK. So this will give the empty file. That means some default things are there, but there is no any menu item already present in this menu element. This code is already there. Now we need to add our menu items. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the three menu items, getting inside my option menu. So let us create the menu atom. So see, the atom is element is atom. Then compulsory thing is you should set the ID. So I'm giving the fresh ID. So at plus ID slash, and see I'm giving new, giving ID as menu1, ID as menu1. So this will be ID menu1. So in r.java file there will be one r class, getting main class will be r. Under r class we have id class, and under id class we have one variable, integer variable, whose name is menu1, and its type is public static final, and some hexadecimal integer will be assigned to this menu1. Now give the title, so title tag, and see I'm giving new as title. Just close this. Now second atom I'm creating, give id, so I'm giving id as menu2. Then I'm giving title as open. Third, I'm giving atom as, I'm giving id as menu3. Then I'm giving title as exit. So I'm going to exit the application and then close. Okay, so these are the menu atoms. I have ready with my menu atoms. So these menu atoms will be there, new, open and exit, and these are their IDs. We are going to use these IDs for performing action on these menu atoms. So now close this file. Now go to main.active.java file. So see, this is the default code. We did not add this code. It was directly added by your Android Studio. Now how to create option menu? So there is a method on create option menu, on create option menu. So just see, type on create, ID will give you the suggestion, and see, select this public boolean on create option menu. So this method is used to create the option menu, and see what I'm doing, I'm adding. Now we have already created the menu atoms file, these menu items we have created, new, open and exit. So now what I'm going to do, this method will create the option menu, and see the object of option menu is this menu. So this on create option menu is used to create the option menu, and option menu means this menu, and where menu items are present, menu items are present in my menu.xml file, getting. So option menu means this menu object, and the menu items are present in my menu.xml file. So attach or set those menu items to this option menu. So who is responsible for this? So menu inflator is responsible for this. So call get menu inflator. Call get menu inflator. So this get menu inflator will give the inflator object. This get menu inflator method will give the menu inflator object, and then call menu inflator, that is menu inflator object dot inflate method. And see, this method will take two arguments. First one is where menu items are present, and the second one is option menu. So where menu items are present in my menu.xml file, but it is present in resource folder, and then menu folder, and then my menu, and the second one is option menu. So I already told you that this menu object means option menu. So see, this is the coding. You can also combine these two lines into single like this. So see, instead of creating this explicit object, directly you can call get menu inflator and then dot inflate. So like this also you can do. This is also correct. So here in this case, get menu inflator will create the anonymous object, and with the help of that anonymous object, this inflate method will get called. Now the how to perform the third step, how to perform the action on the menu atom. So there is a method on option atom selected. So see, there is a method on option atom selected. So just create this method. And what I'm going to do, on option atom selected method will get called when the user selects single menu atom from that multiple menu items. So we have option menu with 3 menu items, and whenever user will select one menu item from those menu items, then this method will be called, and the object of that selected menu item that will be passed to this method, and that object is nothing but this item. So see what I'm doing, what logic I'm applying. I'm retrieving the ID of that selected atom by using see get atom ID. So this atom means the selected menu atom. So from this object I'm getting the its ID, and I'm storing that in integer variable. And see, with the help of switch case, or you can also use else ladder, I'm comparing that ID with the ID of those menu items. So we already use, or we have assigned the ID to this these 3 menu items, menu 1, menu 2 and menu 3. So I'm going to use them. So you know that those IDs are stored in r.java file under r class, id class, and then menu 1. And see, here I'm not going to add the big logic, just I'm going to display the toast. So whenever the ID, that ID or the ID of selected menu item is matched with the ID of first menu, that means the new menu item is selected. Getting? So simply display the toast. And see, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply print the title of that. So see, we have set the title new. So how to get that title? So there is a method get title. So atom dot get title, it is a string, and third one is duration of toast. So toast dot this one. And so on executing, on successful execution of this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do, see, on this method, on success or failure, this method returns boolean value. So on successful execution, what I'm going to do, I'm going to return true, otherwise false. So just do copy paste for all three. And see, I'm just changing the IDs, menu 2 and menu 3. And if none of the atom is selected, then see what I'm doing, I'm just simply adding this by default code in default case. See, this is the logic. Okay, and now see the output of this. And see, as I have added the exit atom menu atom for option menu, so what I will do, instead of displaying this toast, what I will do, I will exit from the application. So to close the activity, as we have only one activity, you can use either finish or finish affinity. Okay. So now just run this application. So remember that there are 3 steps involved in this. First one is creating the menu items, or keeping the menu items ready with you. The second step is creating the option menu and attaching those menu items to the option menu. And third step is performing action on menu items. So for creating option menu, on create option menu method is there, and inside that you need to use menu inflator object. By using inflate method, you can just attach the menu items to the option menu. And the next thing is on option atom selected. So that method allows you to perform the action on menu atom. So just run this application and see the output. I hope this will work fine. So here nothing is there, that means on activity I did not use any view, it was empty activity, and I also deleted text view. So we have directly added the option menu. Now here see, I did not specify that key all those menu items of option menu should be directly placed on the action bar. So that's why in this case what will happen, those menu items will be added under those three dots. Getting? So you need to explicitly mention that even if there is a space, they will not be directly shown on action bar. They will be directly come, by default they will be directly come under three dots. Getting? I will also show you that setting where to specify that means this atom should be displayed directly on action bar or title bar. I will also show you that. So let us see the output first. So see, right now application is installing, and after this the activity will be launched and we'll see the output. So see, this is what your output. So empty activity is there, and see three dots are automatically appeared there, and if you click on this, see menu items will be displayed. So this is whole entire one is option menu, and these are menu items. So when you click on new, so new toast will be displayed. When you click on open message will be displayed with the help of toast, and when you click on exit, see the application will be closed. That means whatever activities you have opened for that particular application, all those will be closed. Okay, so now suppose out of those three atoms I want to display two atoms directly on action bar. Then how to do that we'll see. Suppose I want to display this new and open menu items directly on action bar. So see, there is a attribute, show as action attribute is there, show as action, and see you need to mention the always. So no matter whether space is there, room is there available on title bar or action bar, these two items will be always directly displayed on action bar. And the exit menu item will be under three dots, and this new and open, they will be directly visible on action bar. It's very simple option menu. So just a minute, see the output. So now three menu items will be displayed, but new and open, they will be directly shown on, see, action bar, and the third one, that is exit, that will be under three dot. When you click on exit, the application will be closed. So this is what option menu. So it is very simple, and this is very useful when we work with Android application. So you can try this, and if you like this demonstration, then please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming in My Way.